Hi guys, welcome to Unit 2 of Geography. Gonna make this short and sweet this week and give you the course tour for this for Unit 2 this week. So you are here in the course tour, and from there, remember in Unit 1 I kind of told you every week was going to look pretty much the same as far as the layout, and then obviously the topic will change each week. So you've got your Unit 2 overview. We'll go ahead and click into that one. So you've got your brief summary, essential questions, objectives. And remember, I said that this schedule is really important. So put the items in your phone for each day with an alarm, or take a screenshot of this and set an alarm just to look at it every day to work on it, whatever will keep you checking in. I love this unit. It's one of my favorite units in this class. And that kind of means that there's a few more assignments, not more, but just less of the reading and lessons and more of you kind of learning and researching and responding to things. So I hope you enjoy it too. And I hope that you like that there is less like textbook reading and stuff like that. I only have that in here on one day this week. And then I've got 2 discussions and 2 assignments they're like different. They're not just like writing assignments. And we'll look at those in a second. And then you've got your test on Friday with the weekly wrap up. So you'll come down here and you can go through the Quizlet for the vocab. In this class, I also have the Quizlet in the vocab quiz. So you can always just go straight into the quiz, do the first question is the same thing right here, and then go right into the quiz. Okay, so that's the overview for this week, cultural geography. There's your vocab quiz. Remember, we've got our check marks here that tell you what you need to do to get it to turn green, and you will need to do these items in order. I find that that just kind of keeps you on track, keeps you from like trying to jump into an assignment without looking at the lesson, and then you're not going to get good points on your response because you're just trying to, make it up off the top of your head without even glancing at the information in the lessons. So trying to hold you accountable a little bit with that format here in this class. So here are the 3 lessons. The chapter from the textbook, which remember you can copy and paste into the Immersive Reader. 2.3 is language and culture, and we've got a couple of, or 3 videos in here. So take notes on those because these will help you respond to the discussions in this unit. And your final lesson on cultural geography is just one short video. And it's a Prezi, so it's kind of like a PowerPoint, but it's a little more fun to watch and easy to take notes on. Okay, and then from there, Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to go through these assignments. Cultural diffusion will be a response to the readings that you did. The World Religions Web Quest. I love this assignment. You're going to come in here, read your directions, and click on the document here. We will open it up. Still loading. Okay, so you're going to come in here, you're going to go to this website, and then use this website to answer each of the following questions. Places where you need to go to a different tab are colored in purple. So you're going to go to this website, and it's going to tell you, here's the first question found on the main page. Then in purple, it's going to tell you where to go to find the answer to the next question. So it's not a web quest in the sense that you are doing your own Google searches, but it's a web quest and that you're going to go to this website and find the answers about the 5 major world religions on here. So make sure that you answer all of the questions. It seems like a lot, but the answers are like, 1 or 2 sentences each. And remember, when you're in Word, you can use this dictate tab if you just want to speak your answers and put them in there. I won't grade real harshly in this one on like grammar and mechanics. So if you want to use the dictate and not be, super detailed on the proofreading, I am okay with that. I would rather just see what your answers are to all the questions. And then don't forget these 4 questions at the end. Sometimes by the time you put your answers into all the top questions, these kind of go to a different page, and sometimes you don't see them. So please make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that you answer these, and make sure you see answer the following questions with at least 3 sentences. That means 3 sentences for each question. Okay, so one thing that interested you about Buddhism and why? One thing interested you about Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. And those should be pretty easy to answer after you filled in all those questions, 1 through 23. Okay? So I hope you enjoy that assignment. I think it's very interesting. It gives you some more details on things that you kind of know a little bit about, or you've heard about them, like Christianity and Judaism, Islam. We all kind of know those names, but we maybe don't know a lot about them if they're not a part of our life. And then from there, we will just do a short discussion on those 5 major world religions. There's a quick video there, and then I'm just going to respond to that, okay? And remember, in these discussions, when you come down to comment, you can click this microphone and do an audio or a video recording, and I love those because I get to see you or hear you, and I just like those because I don't get to meet you guys in person, a lot of you. And then after that, you've got your post-test and your weekly wrap-up. And the weekly wrap-up is the same as week 1 with those reflection questions. I know that first week weekly wrap-up was giving you guys trouble, and I'm sorry about that. Obviously, if you're in this video, it's been fixed and you've taken care of that. Okay, so that is it for this week. And if I have any other notes for you, I will message you in Teams. And if you have questions for me, do the same, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week.